Hey everybody, Iceman 50 here. You can see I'm outside. I got the left hand surgery. You just can't quite see it yet. You know, it's not quite time. The other one's healing up nicely. You can see it's all right. It feels all right. It's still sore, but I thought what we'd do is a couple of things. Is just come out and I'll show you how to change some side panel washers. I'm gonna put some yellow ones on, and I have my little what I call the trim washers, which would go at the front and the back of the bike, and I'll show you those and how I what colors I've got, and then I wanted to show you my chain adjuster from TST Industries with the spools. I got the Womet red spools, Womet Tech. And just to show you a few things, I'm not quite ready to ride yet. The right hand is pretty good. I can run the throttle, I think, for a short amount of time, like to go to work or whatever, so that's good. And the left hand is, only a few days old at this point. It's Thursday? So it's been, 4 days, but it's not ready. It needs to be at least 10 days. That my other hand feels pretty good at 10 days. So let's, I'll throw on the action camera, and we'll look at, I'll show you how I take off the side panel washers. Pretty obvious, to those that have purchased them from me. But and then I'll show you where the trim washers go. And like I said, I'll just unbox the TST Industries stuff, and you can take a look at that. And then when I'm better, we can actually install those, and that way I can get a rear frame stand and all that with the spools. So, all right, let's get to this. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Hang on. So I think I left my bit inside, so I can't use the drill. So we're gonna have to go old school with the Allen wrench. My hands feel good enough to do it, so I just got to be careful. So we got our trim washers here. I mean our panel washers, and I've got our trim washers in here. So you can see I've got purple, green, yellow. Right, let me see if I can pull out come on out of there. So I got all the stainless steel screws and washers, so you can see that, we're just going to take off that, and as part of the kit you get the screw and the washer, and in the back you get the washer, the screw, and the nut. So we'll just pull these off. I just want to show you guys. So let's this is why I like you can have it just takes a few seconds, especially if you do it with the adapter on the drill. You can just zip these right off. All right, so just push that in there, and that's it. We'll speed you up on the next few here. All right, everybody, let's go over to the other side. Oh, let's try not to lose my bag. Let's put the green ones in there. Okay. Back to the time lapse. Let's go. Oh man, this is like one of my early prototypes. It's all right, but it's a little rough. All right, everybody, and that's how you do the the panel washers. Hey, look, it totally changes the look of the bike. I think that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the other side. Right? So now let's take off the red front ones. I'm not gonna do the back ones because these actually hold on the frame and everything. I'm just gonna leave mine red, but you know, if you're gonna buy a set, you know, and you don't already have ones, you know, obviously they go together as a one whole look, right? So let's I forget which screwdriver it is. It might be 3mm. Let me see. Yeah, it's 3mm. So I got a 2.5 and a 3. So it's to take off your as I'm calling the trim washers on the front bezel here. It's 3mm driver, and you can see I have the stainless hardware here. So I'm not sure what's in here to begin with, but when you install my kit of the trim washer, you get this like M5 by 20 screw that fits an M3 nut driver, right? So just keep that in mind. Whatever it is to take it off, I forget. It might even be Phillips screws, I forget. So we're gonna put on the yellow ones here. Like I said, it's easier now that I've already done it. Right? You just, again, would be real convenient with the drill. Just zip them off, right? So you take that off. These are my red anodized ones, anodized aluminum. But here's the yellow 3D printed ones. They're pretty much just like the other ones, except they're not aluminum and they're cheaper. I don't mean in quality, but I mean, I guess it depends on what you think. I mean, the aluminum's obviously gonna last, but then again, it's subject to corrosion too, right? It's some point, but yeah, the only thing you got to worry about here is the stainless steel screws, and it's not really a worry, right? So that's why it's kind of nice with all the washers and everything being, you know, PLA plastic, is that I don't really got to worry too much about any kind of rusting or issue or anything like that, right? So screw it in and win. See, you just keep ordering sets like this for me, and then you know, if there's anybody out there crazy enough to do it, you know, I might consider doing like a kit like this where I'll give you, you know, 8 colors and, you know, or however many with a set of screws in it, and you guys can just go to town, you know. I mean, got to figure all that out. So here you go. You can see that we got the yellow, right? So now it's almost all yellow. I don't think I have a pair. I might have a pair of pliers. Let's just, if I'm gonna do it, let's just do it, you know. Come on, man, show off your own product, right? I have been. Let's turn this off since we're gonna be over here. I don't want it to be too loud for the video. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, I guess this is all. Let me let's go in the car. Right, let's go in the car here, and here we go. Got a little pair of pliers. So we'll sit our ass down on the blacktop here. Yeah, this is ow. This is not gonna go well. Ha 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 ha. Wow, that was that was not good, everybody. I felt a tendon move inside my hand. Holy shit. I hope my doctor doesn't watch this. Okay. Because yeah, I know I'm pushing the boundaries. of what I should be doing. All I need to do is be able to hold it. This one I can actually, okay, yeah. My right hand I can actually unscrew things. But that was whew, that was brutal for a second there. Here, right, and then panel washer. I mean trim washer, screw, trim washer, regular washer, and a nylon lock nut. You will get nylon lock nuts from me with the screws, like I said, if you order the kit. I'm gonna offer the trim washer kit for $10 plus you know, I have been doing $8 for priority mail. I mean, if you guys don't want priority, I'll leave another option for first class, and that'll definitely make it cheaper. You know, it'll be in the range of like $4 shipping instead, right? Ow! Squeeze down on my hand there. So yeah, I'll be putting the kits up on eBay, or you can always hit me up on Instagram, and as always, I will give you guys a viewer discount. I'll do $8 if you hit me up through Insta. Otherwise, they're going to be on eBay for $10 a set, plus, you know, whatever shipping I end up deciding to do. So just so you guys know, I also have a brand new 3D printer coming. Thanks for all your guys' support, and you know, buying washers, and thanks to everybody who has. You know, I've already made, you know, over 500 bucks, and you know, a lot of that's gone into filament and other things, but I've made enough. You know, I had to try to scrape some money together. I had somebody that loaned me a little bit of cash up front here to get a new printer. That way I can really start cranking these out, because, you know, my machine it's kind of old and clapped out. I'm not gonna lie, it needs some work, right? So in the meantime, I'm gonna get a new machine, right? And we'll it's gonna be a Creality Ender 6 unit. It's got the new XY core technology, so I'm hoping that's gonna be, you know, really nice. And I'm hoping I can print out, my hand's starting to hurt. After this, I'm gonna have to be done and take some pain meds. So I'm hoping I can do like 6 on a 6 on the bed, right? Because then that's like at least half a set, you know. A full set is 12. So and then it'll do it all really nice. It's just gonna be way better, like I said. And I'll keep the other one. I mean, I'm not getting rid of my old one, but, you know, I might ask my friend if I can, like, kind of keep it at her place and work on it to fix it, because I need to, you know, the other one's coming Friday, the brand new one, so that one also has to kind of be set up. So I might do a video on that too. You know, I may ask her friend to help me assemble it, because I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it all myself. So hang on, everybody, let's see if we can get this last nut off here. Let's get this last one done. Oh man. Ooh, man, that is killing my hand. That's my neighbor, everybody. Sometimes helps me with stuff. He's the one helping me out with the new printer. So see, there you go. We got the yellow, and the yellow, and the yellow, right? And I'll bring you back and show you the other pieces in a minute. So, wanted to show you the chain tensioner and the Womet Tech spools, right? And I really got to be careful. I can really... Oh, fuck. You can really... If I move my hand wrong, I can feel the tendons in my hand like move or slip against it. It is really super painful. It is not great. So let's try not to use that hand as much as possible, right? So here's the spools, right? So they go on. Here, let's open this up. So here's the adjusters, right? What else we got in here? Oh, those must be for the spools. Okay. Here's one. Okay. Here's two. So this is it's all machined. Look at these awesome lines in here, so you can count. When you pull this, you pull all this stuff off, and then you can actually count, you know, where this goes and here, and get it exactly lined up, right, on both sides. So you undo all this, you undo this, you pull off this outer clip, and then this nicely machined piece slides right in here like this, right? And technically, this is the left side, I think, and this is the right side, because the spool, see here it says TST Industries, but the spool goes down, so you got this like this, right? So it goes on here like this, and then here's where your spool sits. So that's gonna be pretty sweet, and then you can do away with all this fucking garbage, this fucking goofy shit, right? So it'll be just like that, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, me putting on the panel washers and showing you guys the chain tensioner and everything, and just a little update. You know, I'm doing all right, you know, with the hand. It's getting better every day. Right hand's pretty good. So all right, everybody, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.